Is Stash legit or is it just another scam? Well, Stash is 100% legit. It's a real financial services company registered with the SEC and backed by SIPC and FDIC protections. That means your investments are protected up to $500,000 and your cash up to $250,000, just like with a traditional bank. It's designed for beginners, letting you buy fractional shares of stocks and ETFs for just a few bucks. You also get tools like automatic investing and a debit card with stock rewards and access to both IRAs on higher tier plans. Now, it's not free. Plans start at a $3 a month. So if you're investing very small amounts, fees might eat into your gains. That's not a scam. It's just something to be aware of. Bottom line is Stash is a real platform helping people build good money habits. Just make sure you actually use the tools you're paying for. Like and follow for more honest takes on finance apps. I got doubts about others, drop them in the comments. I'll break it down.